My finger's not even on the trigger this time, so there's no way it can go wrong.
So, how are we gonna get rid of it though?
Well, we'll put it in here, we're gonna take it somewhere, drop it off, forget about it. Ain't no way in hell I'm letting this thing blow up another car. Got it? What the hell's this thing? I suggest we run. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me.
So you're posting it, right?
Yeah.
And listing it as computer parts?
Yeah, just like our friend did.
Good. Make sure you list that at $1 starting bid.
Oh, trust me. Anything to pretty much get this out of our house.